Hey guys, what's up? It's Shaniiee Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a different video for you guys. I hope you guys like these styles of videos. I received a few packages. I'm gonna block my address. A few packages from Amazon, and I have a few from Amazon and one package from this company. This company is a glasses company that I've seen some YouTubers make videos on. I'm going to be unboxing all of these items in front of you guys. They gave me an option to have them delivered a little bit later if they're non-essential, and so I chose that. The very last items came in the same box and they came last night, so I'm just gonna start opening these. So I'm gonna start off with this one that's on my lap. Okay, let's see what we have here. I'm excited. Wow, this don't make no sense. This do not make no sense. A box inside of a box. Okay, so I'm gonna read what it says here. This is a lightweight aluminum tripod. This is a tripod for my camera. I have one, but it's like a vlogging tripod. And my other tripod, I think my tripod broke. My last tripod broke. So I bought this one. And this is just the Amazon Basics lightweight aluminum tripod. I guess I'll put the prices for everything on the screen. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it's just, I guess it goes up, I don't know how far it goes up, but it goes up pretty high, I think. I hope it goes up high. Oh yes, it does. Look, come on, like that. And it just has the rotating, I don't know what this is called, but it has that, which is good. Hopefully I could start making videos in other locations for you guys. Thank you, truck. Thank you. Okay, this next package came in its original packaging, and this is just the Amazon Basics aluminum light stand with case. Why did it say 2-pack? It says 2-pack, and this is basically for my ring light. I have a Diva ring light, and I bought, the last time I bought a ring light stand, it was a cowboy. Jason stripped the, what do you call that piece on top of it? He stripped it, so I had to order another one. I took a while to order it, but it's here. And you see, it's like the tripod, but it's a light stand. Yeah. I mean, nothing to it. It's just a light stand. Yeah. Let me just get right into opening it. Let me see. Yup, it is. Okay. So I needed new house shoes, and so I seen these. Oh, you gotta blow dry it so it's real fluffy. Listen, I love furry, fluffy, bougie looking stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are the instructions, and I will link the link that I got this from right down below in the description. It just says, thanks for purchasing. If any questions with the order or product, please feel free to contact Amazon customer service. The fur maybe look messy when they just arrived, as squeezed in package for a long time. Please use hairdryer to blow the fur. The fur will become more fluffy. Oh my goodness, I love fluffy things. Oh shoot, these look huge. Oh my gosh, I think I got the wrong size. A 910, I did. I'ma still wear them though. And this is how it looks. They are huge. Oh my gosh. So you gotta blow dry them for them to be, I guess, more fluffy. Let me see. Maybe they fit. If not, then I don't even think I have family members with feet this big. I feel like I'm the biggest, tallest one out of everybody. The girls, at least. Oh no, they fit perfect. They fit perfect. See, I got a big foot. For the last the last two items from Amazon, let's see. I'm gonna see if I can insert a clip of my feet in these slippers, but I'm gonna block my toes because we're still in quarantine and the nail salons in New York are not open, and I'm not planning on going to no nail salon when they open. So my feet is looking crazy until I order some nail stuff from Amazon. Matte bubble wrap. So I ordered these, and these are the Licious high waist black ankle length leggings. I ordered these because, let me fix my boobies. I need to get new bras. I ordered these because I seen some YouTube videos that compare these to some other brand that I've never had the leggings from them before, but I seen that these are like really good quality leggings, and I love leggings. If anybody knows me, that's what I live in. I live in these like workout tights. And I could tell you right off jump, this quality feels pretty good. I hope it don't show through. Nope. You don't see through it either. I like these. I can't wait to wear them. They feel like they're gonna be comfortable. There's somebody talking right outside the window. You hear them? Okay. This very last item that I got is this One Step hair dryer and styler. So it's a straightening blow dryer. And I got this because I was watching videos on YouTube and I was like, ooh, I could straighten my hair and blow dry it at the same time. Let me try that. So I bought it off of Amazon. Usually the videos that you see, I know they ain't got no damn bug up in here. What the hell? No, it's not a bug. Okay, so this is how it looks. Ooh, what does it come with in here? Comes with some hair clippies, and this is how it looks. And I've seen some really good reviews on this. I don't know, can you see the settings? It's high, middle, low. And then this is supposed to be an imitation, like the Revlon. It's supposed to be like the fake version of the Revlon hair dryer. I only paid $20-something for this. I'm gonna link everything down below, like I said, and I'm gonna be doing a review video on this particular item. And now I'm going to open up this Zeelool package. I hope I'm saying it the right way. Zeelool. Okay. Maybe I should move you guys, or move in a little closer for this. I hope I'm not like, yeah. It sounded like something broke in there. Okay, so I got these little baggies with the prescriptions, I guess, on them. I bought 4 pairs of these glasses. I hope I'm in the shot. Okay, so the very first one is, that's the problem, they didn't put the names of them on the case itself. Hopefully you guys wish me luck, because I did not try on any of these glasses. I don't know how this shape fits my face or anything like that. So wish me luck. What the heck? This is like saran wrap on the glasses. Packaging. Okay. It comes with a dust cloth and this case. I guess I'm gonna show you guys, try to include the name and the price of these on the screen somewhere so that you guys can see. Let me see how this looks. Ooh, this is cute. I like how this one looks. I like how these fit my face. You guys let me know down below if you like it. I really like these. So these are the next pair. And like I said, I like these. Oh, I like them. I like both of them so far. These are so nice, okay? Come on. And I got these because I don't have like glasses that are a particular color. So I said, you know what? Let me be a little different this time. And I got like different colors and different styles like these. Hopefully, let me see one more time. I have clear frames already, but they're just square and like bulky. I really like these. These are cute. And surprisingly, what the heck? There's something else in the box. So these are the last pair. Oh, these are cute too. Yeah, it's a go for this company. I like every single glasses that they've, I guess, sent. They haven't sent it to me. I bought these on my own with my own money. They did not sponsor this video or anything like that. I really like these. These are super cute. And these are just, I don't know what this is called. I think it's called like tortoise shell. I don't know, but I'm gonna leave the names of every glasses down below. This one feels a little loose on this side. But yeah, that's the end of this video. That is everything that I've ordered in the past few weeks. If you guys like videos like this, please let me know down below. I'll try to get more of these videos for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.